Ever wondered why learning Italian feels so overwhelming at first? As a neuro-language coach and former university lecturer, I have helped hundreds of students speak fluent Italian, and in this video I'm going to show you the 5 crucial pitfalls you must know about and give you 5 practical, easy to follow tips that will save you time, money and endless headaches. So, mistake number 1. The biggest roadblock students make early on slow their progress more than anything else. And I'll bet you strongly relate to this. Can you guess what it is? Let me give you a clue. It's like exploring an unfamiliar city without a map. You quickly become lost, confused, and frustrated. Now, imagine how different your experience would be if someone showed you the landmarks and shortcuts from day 1. That's right, start off with the right foot and avoid mistake number 1, trying to learn without a tutor. Of course, you need constant hand holding, but starting without a tutor who can guide your initial steps and help you avoid common traps will save you hours of frustration and dramatically accelerate your progress. Imagine having someone who understands exactly which materials and methods match your unique learning styles, making your journey quicker, more enjoyable, and less lonely. Some of you may argue that hiring a tutor may be expensive, but let me ask you this: what's it costing you not knowing Italian? However, even with the right guidance, another trap quickly derails learners. Mistake number 2. Have you ever felt your energy draining away when studying, like a battery that just can't hold the charge? My students used to struggle badly with balancing their learning time. Their approach was like sprinting at the start of a marathon. They gave it their all immediately but quickly ran out of steam. I'm sure that this resonates strongly with you. My students started full of hope only to end up associating Italian with stress and guilt. Stop for a second and think about it. You wouldn't expect to finish a marathon by sprinting full speed right from the beginning. Yet, that's exactly how my students were studying. Intense bursts followed by exhaustion and burnout. So, mistake number 2. Poor time management. Here is a simple, reliable approach. Study consistently in short, focused sessions, just 15 to 30 minutes each day. Think of it like brushing your teeth. It's not glamorous, but a daily habit that leads to long-term gains. This steady rhythm keeps your energy and motivation high, making learning feel sustainable and even enjoyable. Now, even with a tutor and a balanced study routine, there is another subtle trap that can quietly sabotage your progress, especially if you have already set up a learning routine. Here is the issue: doing the same thing repeatedly and expecting different results. It will seriously hold you back forever. Using just one method is like wearing shoes that don't fit. You can keep walking, but you won't really get far comfortably. Imagine trying to hike up a mountain wearing shoes 2 sizes too small. Sure, you might manage a few steps, but soon the discomfort becomes unbearable and progress slows to a crawl. Relying on just one learning method felt exactly like that. So, mistake number 3. Sticking to just one method. Instead, what you need to do is to regularly experiment with new methods, podcasts, videos, or speaking practice to find what truly fits you best. Talk to your tutor and find out whether you can quickly discard any methods that don't click and keep moving forward comfortably and confidently. Now, let's say that you have got variety in your learning and a solid routine. There is still one crucial element many learners avoid, often out of fear or perfectionism, and it holds them back more than they realize. Mistake number 4. This mistake dramatically slows you down while learning Italian. It's like keeping a powerful car locked in the garage. You have all the tools, but never go anywhere. Got it? The majority of students wait until they feel ready to speak. But fluency doesn't come from waiting, it comes from doing. To accelerate your progress, start speaking immediately. Even if it's messy, make mistakes openly, embrace corrections, and treat every conversation like a workout for your brain. Speaking early builds confidence, improves pronunciation, and helps words stick. The sooner you begin, the sooner Italian becomes something you use, not just something you study. So, mistake number 4, not speaking Italian from day 1. And finally, the mother of all mistakes, mistake number 5, one that undermines even the most dedicated students. Students often overlook the science behind how we learn languages, and that hurts their ability to retain what they study. It's like planting seeds in poor soil. No matter how hard you work, your efforts rarely grow. If you want your learning to stick, you need to work with your brain, not against it. Use proven memory techniques like spaced repetition, reviewing vocabulary at gradually increasing intervals. Link new words to emotion, movements, or vivid images. Practice Italian in real-life situations that matter to you. So, mistake number 5, know your brain. Avoiding these 5 mistakes will make your path to fluency faster, smoother, and far more enjoyable. But if you are serious about mastering Italian, there is one more step. Watch this video next. And remember, stick to Italian, and Italian will stick to you. Ciao!